Welcome to Euron, everyone. My name is Nanshu Kumar, and last week, so many people have asked me a question saying that you have already started a generative AI certification bootcamp, and along with that, so we have also started generative AI interview preparation. So people were asking me a question that can we join this batch or are we supposed to wait for our next upcoming batches? So let me show you first of all like what kind of a discussion that we have done so far inside a generative AI bootcamp as well as inside a generative AI interview. So here, if I'll go inside a generative AI bootcamp, so first two classes, right? So the class which has happened on 2nd of August, which was an induction session. So I talked about Euron platform, I talked about a syllabus and so many other things. Plus we have done a lot of doubt clearing. Then we talked about system setup and Vive coding. Again, that was a kind of an introductory lecture for all of us. And then I have discussed about API concept, and with the help of fast API, so we have built so many different kind of a API so that we were able to understand how API works and how we will be able to create our own API. Along with that, I have given so many different assignments which people were able to complete. Then I talked about a vector database, and vector database is not yet completed when I'm recording this particular video. So vector database is still an ongoing topics. I have to discuss more and more on a vector DB basically, because vector DB is one of the major component you all will be able to find out with respect to a generative AI application building in a real time. So this is the discussion that we have done. So we have not covered much so far. This batch has just started. So obviously you all can join this particular batch and not just this one. So let's suppose if I'm going with the generative AI interview bootcamp, which we have started just 1 week back. So here we talked about induction, because induction is something that we do on a very first day for each and every batches. It doesn't matter which batch we are going to launch, but yeah. So we talked about induction, and then roles and responsibilities of generative AI industry. So this is the kind of a discussion that we have done. In our upcoming discussion, we are going to talk about a project storytelling and project architectural component. So a lot of things we are going to discuss in this interview bootcamp in our upcoming lecture. So yes, I believe all of you can join this particular batch because we have not moved very far, and it is not going to give you a pain in terms of covering each and everything that we have already discussed inside a lecture. Plus we are doing a live doubt clearing. So in case if you will be having any kind of a doubt, even with respect to a previous lecture, you all will be able to clear those doubt. Not just that. So we are coming up with DSA with Python bootcamp. We are coming up with full stack Bev development bootcamp as well. And so many other announcements you will be able to see in a near future. And with Euron Plus, right? So with Euron Plus, you all will be able to access all of these batches for an entire 1 year, right? Entire 1 year. So I don't think that it's too late. I believe you all can join this particular batch, and I believe you all will be able to leverage things that we are already discussing inside this batch. So I think it's a correct time for all of us to utilize our Saturday and Sunday, not whole Saturday and Sunday, I would say, but yeah, maybe a couple of hours, join a session, be a part of discussion, ask a doubt, share your screen. And plus we have an amazing community WhatsApp group. So where so many, I would say a productive discussion is going on, where people are sharing a lot of opportunity. They are talking about a lot of tasks that they are trying to solve, a lot of problems. Some people are even working on their startup. So you will be able to meet even that kind of a people in that particular group. And yeah, so some people are juniors, some people are on a mid-level, some people are super senior. So you will be able to get a very strong community backup. So where each and everyone is trying to support each and everyone even from now, and they are trying to share an opportunity, they are trying to discuss things, they are trying to solve each and everyone's problem, they are trying to basically clarify the doubts if they have any. And I'm also a part of that particular group. So personally, as per my capacity, so I'm trying to solve all of your doubt throughout a week. And again, in a weekend, anyhow, we all are connected. in a weekend, anyhow, we have a live doubt clearing right after the live classes. So where I'm taking care of each and every doubt. And yeah, so I don't think that I'm leaving any doubt unturned. So I believe it's a correct time. It's a correct time to join this particular batch. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. Tomorrow, again, we have a class. So see you inside a lecture.